Hello friends, in today's concept video we learn about similarity and BPT, the concept and application. In triangle ABC, point D is on AB, E is on AC such that BC parallel to DE, such that these two lines are parallel. In any triangle, if a line is parallel to base, then we have two concepts. One concept is similarity. By similarity, the bigger triangle ABC is similar to a smaller triangle ADE. Since lines are parallel, so these two angles are same and these two angles are same. If we have two angles same, then we have similarity concept. If two triangles are similar, then their side ratio is constant. A smaller side AD to AB is equal to AE to AC is equal to DE to BC. And according to similarity, the area ratio of triangle is square of the side ratio. We are going to use these two concepts. And by BPT, the side ratio of AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So learn the application of these concepts. We have triangle ABC in which all the bases are parallel. And the ratio of AH to HF to FD to DB. Assume this is the 1:2:3:4. We have the ratio, so we can say this ratio should also be 1:2:3:4. By the similarity, the smaller triangle to the bigger triangle should have same ratio. The smaller is 1, the bigger one is 3, so the base is nothing but 1:3. For this, we are not going to apply the similarity. We assume this one is 0. Top is 0, so 0 plus 1 is 1, so this base should be 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. That is 3, that is cumulative sum. 3 plus 3 is 6. So D should be in 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So if we have 1:2:3:4, so bases should be in the ratio of 1:3:6:10. The ratio of the cumulative sum. For a quick glance, if our ratio is 1:2:4:7, the base ratio is say 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 14. This is our first concept. The second concept is the reverse of the first. When we have base ratio, say 10:6:5:2, the base ratio, all the values of bases are 10, 6, 5, 2. We can find the side ratio. 10 minus 6 is 4, 6 minus 5 is 1, 5 minus 2 is 3, top is 0, 2 minus 0 is 2, 4 is BD, DF should be 1, FS should be 3, HH should be 2, and these are not the values, these are the ratios. First one was from the side to base, that is 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. When we have bases, we can find the side. 10 minus 6 is 4, 6 minus 5 is 1, 5 minus 2 is 3, 2 minus 0 is 2. This is the first and second concept. The next concept is the area concept. When we have bases, the area is in the ratio of the side square or the base square. Area of this triangle should be nothing but the base is 2 square. The area of this triangle AFG should be in the respective base, that is 5, is nothing but the 5 square. So the area of this quadrilateral is 5 square minus 2 square, the bigger triangle minus a smaller triangle. So we can say for this, the area ratio is nothing but the 5 square minus 2 square. So for any figure inside the parallel lines, the area ratio is nothing but the base square minus base square. This quadrilateral is between 6 and 5, so the area should be 6 square minus 5 square, and what I am writing is not the value but the ratio. When this one is 2 square, why 2 square? That is 2 square minus 0 square. Then this would be 5 square minus 2 square. This would be 6 square minus 5 square. This quadrilateral BCED should be in the ratio of 10 square minus 6 square. So if we have base 10, 6, 5, 2, we can find the area ratio between any two. Again I am repeating, I am not finding the area but the ratio. If we have to find the ratio of the same values, area of AFG upon quadrilateral area BCGF. Triangle AFG should have base 5 and the top is 0. So this is nothing but 5 square minus 0 square. For the BCGF is in between BC and GF. For the BC, that is 10 square minus 5 square. For the parallel lines inside the triangle, the area ratio is nothing but the base square minus base square, or difference of square of sides which are parallels. So I am repeating all three concepts. If we have side ratio is say 1:2 to 2 is to 3 is to 4, then what is the area ratio of triangle AFG to area of quadrilateral say DEIH? When you have side ratio, first of all find the base ratio. Take A is 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So we find the base ratio. Now we have to find the area ratio of AFG. So it is between base 3 and 0. So for this is nothing but 3 square minus 0 square. That is DEIH. That is DEIH for the between 6 and 1. So this would be nothing but 6 square minus 1 square. So it is 9 out of 35. This is the area ratio of AFG upon DEIH. Now solve a question. Question is, in triangle ABC, point DFH are on side AB, EGI are on side AC as shown in the figure. Lines BC, DE, FG and HI are parallel, and it is given AH equal to HF equal to FD equal to DB. When we have all sides are equal, then we can say the ratio is nothing but 1 is to 1 is to 1. So we have these ratio given and we have to find the area ratio of few quadrilaterals. When we have these ratio given, we can find the ratio of the bases. Say this one is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is our base ratio and we have to find DEIH, that is DEIH. The base is 3 and IH is 1. So this quadrilateral, the area should be when 3 square minus 1 square. For this quadrilateral BCGF, that is BCGF, the area ratio should be 4 square minus 2 square. I am again repeating, I am not writing the exact values but the ratio. For the 3 square minus 1 square is 8, for this is 12. So the area ratio or the required ratio is 2 is to 3. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, feel free to ping me either on Facebook or on this video thread. If you like the concept video, please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can also follow us on Facebook. Thank you and happy learning.